Alright, so I got my piece of wood. I came back from the store. Got my 1x10 piece of wood up here. And this is going to be the top of the mantle. And I just, as you're looking down the wall, I'm a terrible drywall guy, right? And so in the middle here, where there's a seam, it's built up. So there's a big gap here on this edge, going down to that where it's tight. And then as you look down there, there's a big gap down there too, where the drywall is bowing. Just wanted to show you that. And what I'm working on now is, let me flip this over. I scribed it one time. Sorry about that. I scribed it using a paint stick. Put that paint stick up there, okay, and drew a line all along there to cut off as little as I could to taper it so it will get next to the wall. And now what I'm using is this pencil, which is probably, you know, from the edge of the pencil to the lead, oh, maybe 3/16 of an inch, maybe 1/8 of an inch, I don't know. So now I'm sticking that on the wall and drawing a line. And I'm just going to contour the wall. So when I get this done, I'll have a perfect fit up against the drywall. And see right there, I have to take nothing off, which is fine. Back here I'm taking some off. Down there I can see it gets close again. Yeah. Okay, here it looks like I'm going to do nothing. Down at this end of the wall, it gets really tight up against the drywall. So I'm going to cut that off. There's a real big bow in the wall right there. You can see that. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. Just trying to get some of the, and I think, you know what I'm going to do right now? I'm going to go back to the stir stick. There's so much gap in this spot right here. Look, I can put my whole pencil down in there. So it's that much I need to take off. So you can go back over here and do the whole thing again. Sorry if you're getting dizzy. Do the whole thing again like this. So then I'm taking that much off all the way down this board, and it's getting pushed up against the wall. And it doesn't matter what you use, you know. I just wanted something that was about 1/4 of an inch, just so I could take off the least amount all the way down. And get it to fit tightly up against the drywall. Now, you know, if you weren't concerned about that, and if the gap wasn't really big, I could just use caulking on the top of it up against the wall, which I actually could have done that now. Would have been a lot of caulking down here, right? Because I've already taken some off. But or you could just use like a 1/4 round just to cover up that but I think this will be a much cleaner look. You see where I'm coming now? I'm coming right into that spot where it's going to taper out into nothing. So here, down in this area, there's really nothing to take off. But then coming back over to the edge, where it bows out again, I'm going to go all the way up to the end of the... Okay, you see there's my cut line now. Whole lot coming off there, like a 1/4 of an inch. Taper down to nothing. Nothing comes off in here. And then it tapers back out again. Okay, so then when I push this up against the wall, it's going to be nice and tight. Alright, let me get to it.